All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about going to training. I will be at the TST big event in New York, May 16th. If you're gonna be there, look for me, say hi. But on that note, I'm traveling to New York because unfortunately I couldn't get everything together to go to Vision this year. Next year. Training, I cannot stress enough how important training is. Get as much training you can. Every bit of money you spend on training is well invested. Great training will always help you. So I'm going to New York to get training. Get your butt out to a training class. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.